Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you disable your auto lock in Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance, tap to this yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there, and after tapping into there, select your profile, and after selecting profile, tap to security. Now, after going over security, you will get a bunch of options into here, and you will see this app lock which is set into 1 hour in mine. Just simply tap to app lock, and after that you will see all of the locks that you have set into your app lock. Now, in order to disable or remove app lock, just simply disable this toggle, or whichever toggle which you have enabled, just simply tap to that and disable the toggle, and this way the app lock will successfully be disabled from your Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.